بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم الحمدللہ وکفا وسلام علی عبادہ الذین اصطفیٰ اما بعد قال اللہ تبارک و تعالی فی الکلام المجید والفرقان الحمید بعد اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم وقضى ربک الا تعبدوا الا ایاہ وبالوالدین احسانا. فی مقام آخر قال اللہ تبارک و تعالی وصینا الانسان بوالدیہ حسنا. فی مقام آخر قال اللہ تبارک و تعالی وصینا الانسان بوالدیہ احسانا. قال رسول اللہ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم الرضا الربی فی رضا الوالد سخط الربی فی سخط الوالد. صدق اللہ مولانا العظیم و صدق رسولہ النبی الکریم ونحن علی ذالک من الشاہدین والشاکرین والحمد للہ رب العالمین. اللہم صلی علی سیدنا محمد وعلی آل سیدنا محمد وبارک وسلم وصلی علیہ رب اشرح لی صدری ویسر لی امری واحلل عقدۃ من لسانی یفقہوا قولی ربی زدنی علما. سبحانک لا علم لنا الا ما علمتنا انک انت العلیم الحکیم. My most respected brothers and elders and my sweet class fellow children, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's bring our hearts and our mind in the state of shukr. Million, trillion, uncountable times shukr to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who blessed us with Islam, with Iman, and gave us tawfiq to come to the Masjid on Friday with Jummah Salat. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our efforts. Amen. I quoted before you Ayat-e-Mubarakah from Bani Israel, Ayat number 23rd, and Al-Qubut and Al-Qaf. And today's topic is what is the status of the parents? What are the hukuk of the parents? What is the value of the parents, dad and mom? Simple meaning of the Ayat Mubarakah. It's the Quran. It's not my just speech. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had decreed, had ordered. Not simple advice. It's not simple advice by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Very strongly. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ. Don't worship any deity except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Sajda is not for anybody else except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Even no sajda ta'zim even. Somebody say, I am doing my sajda to this grave or to my Sheikh as a respect. No. Only sajda, this forehead on the ground before only one Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. After his worship, Quran telling, وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. Be very, very kind, obedient to your parents. Ba'd worship, after worship, his worship, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanding about the status of the parents. This is a very serious matter. Ba'd shirk, after shirk, the biggest guna, the kabira sin is disobeying the parents. And then further, وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حُسْنًا. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does wasiyah. Wasiyat means very strong advice. Normally people, when they close to die, they tell their parents, tell their children, do this, do this, do this. Strong advice from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Be very kind. Have good, sweet behavior with your parents. Even in the salat, la tahiyyat, tashahhud, read the one ayat al-Barakah. Rabbana ighfirli wa li walidayya wa lil mu'minina yawma yaqumul hisab. Allahu Akbar. Hadith Pak I quoted before you. Ar-Raza Rabb, fi Raza al-Walid. If a daddy is happy, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is happy. If father is happy, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is happy. If dad is angry, because of your misbehavior, disobedience, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is also angry. Allah is Khaliq of our root. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chose your father as a source of your body. Now, let's check where we stand. What is the status of the parents? As I told before, Ba'd shirk. Shirk is the biggest guna, sin. After shirk, next to shirk is a disobedience of the parents. Be watchful. Let's check ourselves. If we make angry our old parents, Jibreel alayhi salatu wasalam does curse on such person. लानत भेजता है. And लानत का मतलब, cursing the मतलब, to divide the person off from the rahmat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. To keep this person away from the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who disobey dad and mom. And dad and mom are angry with him. Be careful. Children, listen carefully. To speak loud in front of the parents, dad and mom. Example, mommy call you. Iqbal, come here. Okay, I'm coming. This is not the right answer. Come and eat food, take breakfast. Okay. This is disobedience. Your teacher call you. You know, the teacher is your spiritual father. Your father is your physical father. Your teacher is spiritual father. We had to follow the same adab etiquettes. Before the teacher, before the parents, before the elders. Be watchful. To do the service of the parents, to serve the parents is better than jihad, fighting in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Even one time, Sahaba were going to expedition. So one Sahabi, Rasul Akram sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, you to evaluate every person, ahwal. What is your condition? What is your condition? What is your condition? So one said, Ya Rasulullah, my parents are old. The Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam, though he needed every one person, he sent him back to home. Go, serve your dad and mom. That is your jihad. You understand?
Yes.
To serve the dad and mom is afzal, better than jihad even. The Prophet sent back. The person who disobey daddy and mommy and they are angry, his salat, fasting, hajj is not accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Jannah under the feet of the mother. Mean what? To obeying the mother, you get paradise. So one child always used to listen mommy. And he didn't listen to daddy. So dad asked, Maulana, Hazrat, what is going on? He said, tell. Mom is a Jannah. The daddy is a door of Jannah. Daddy is a door of Jannah. If door is not open, how can we enter in Jannah? So means what? We have to respect and obey daddy and mommy both. In every action, by tongue or physical action, we should keep them always happy. In the morning time, if you smile, look at your father with smiling face, you will get the reward of Hajj and Umrah. Nafal, Hajj and Umrah, you will get the reward if in the morning time you see your father, mom with smiling face. The person who is disobedient to the daddy and mommy, he will not be able to smell the paradise at all. He cannot be allowed. He will not be allowed even come close to the Jannah. If a person is disobedient to the dad and mom. There is a very beautiful story of a child of Bani Israel. He was orphan. He raised a cow. But always he used to take any action, he asked mama. Now cow became big, they want to sell it. Customer offer money. He go to mom, should I sell? No. So much so, he was obeying his mother, was not selling. Time came, he got such price equal to the weight of the cow gold. Now mom said, yes, go ahead, sell it. This is the benefit. Even we don't understand that. Mom, dad said, don't do it. You don't need to ask mommy or daddy reasoning. Why not? This is a problem here. Why not? Your dad and mom are more intelligent than you. You cannot ask every time to your teacher, why? Okay, sometime teacher may explain you as a critical appreciation. All right. but not always. Just follow blindly. Mommy and daddy, your teacher, they are more well-wisher than of you. As I mentioned before, Ba'ad Allah and Rasul, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is a high top priority in obedience. The topest priority in obedience in haqooq Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then, Ba'ad Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Aqā Sarwar Alam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And after that, Rasul, status of the parents. Don't forget it. Think over, when you were a small baby, how they raised you. You could not turn the side even. You could not clean yourself. Your mom was cleaning you. Think over it. When you're a baby, 1-year-old baby, 2-year-old baby, mom used to clean you. And mom is busy, your daddy used to clean you. Now, if dad is sick, he cannot move. He cannot go to bathroom. Can you clean him? Are you ready? Are you ready? If I'm sick, I cannot move. I do number 1 or 2 on my bed. Is my son is ready? Are you ready? I used to do when you were small. And even, I never complain, you are a bad smelly boy. No. I was feeling proud. When you were a small baby, mama, daddy was feeling proud to clean you. Now, old age, when mom, dad is sick, are we ready? With the same sweet behavior. When you were sick, small boy, small girl, mama used to make dua. He used to tell Qari Sahib, Hafiz Sahib, Imam Sahib, Pious Sahib, Sheikh Sahib, please make dua for my son. Please make dua for my son. Please make dua for my son. Now when daddy is sick, what is your behavior? Are we making dua for him? Even unfortunately, sometime daddy is very sick and hearing the son is saying, Ya Allah, ab isko utha lo. Mean, make him, give him death. जब हम बीमार होते थे बच्चे, माँ शिफा के लिए दुआ करती थी. जब हम बूढ़े माँ बाप हो जाते हैं, हम कहते हैं या अल्लाह इसको उठा लो, इसको डेथ दे दो. Shame on us. We should always make dua for the parents. They are evergreen. We should remember our age when we were child. Hazrat Luqman radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he was Sahabi, very sick. He was trying to say La ilaha illallah, but his tongue was being stopped. Complaint went to where? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet was Hakim. He knew what's going on. Prophet did not come to Al-Qamah radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Sahabi, say kalma la ilaha illallah. He went to mom. Mom, are you angry with your son Al-Qamah? She said, yes. Prophet said, forgive him. He cannot say la ilaha illallah. He's dying now. She said, no. She was tough mom. Prophet said, let me burn your son in the dunya of fire. And he sent Sahaba, go bring wood. Now when mom saw, mom is a mom, He said, Ya Rasulullah, stop. I forgive my son. Soon mom forgave his son Alqama. He said, La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasul. He passed away. Make sure. We don't know when angel of death come. Make sure your dad and mom are ever happy with you. Don't sleep in the night time. When mommy is angry with you, daddy is angry with you. We don't know. We may have last breath during sleep. So make sure, keep your mom and daddy always happy. And then your teacher also. अब ऐसे करनी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह, guard the status. He will give recommendation of so many Jahannami going to Jannah because he got the status, because serving his mother. Hazrat Awais Karni rahmatullah alayh. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he could not do Hajj. Ajib. Because his mother was very old, he had to serve his mother. There was no other body to take care of the mother. So, mommy and daddy are high. When you do ziyarat of parents, we get the ajr of accepted nafal umrah and hajj. We should always worry about how I can comfort my dad and mom. We should always think about how can I become the source of the comfort of my dad and mom. Then this comfort will be given back to us in the form of the Jannah. We should thank the parents sometime. And I give you homework, especially these students, children sitting over here. Every Friday evening, before sleep, ask mommy and daddy, Mom, my dad, are you happy with my behavior? We adult, mom, dad in Pakistan, some other place, adult, we should ask mom, dad at least once in a week. So I will fix Friday evening. Ask your mom and dad, everybody. Mom, are you happy with me? Dad, are you happy with my behavior? Am I serving to you? My parents should be honest. Yes, you are doing very, very good. But this area, please fix it. Make sure before death, our mom and dad are happy with me. Especially after marriage, it is a big test. Don't give your 100% love to your wife only. Give her share. But dad, mom love should not come down, period, at all. I hate to say this. You can get another wife, but you cannot get another parents. If your wife tell you that disobedience of the parents, let's leave them alone, have a nice time alone, they are poor old people, don't obey the wife. No, you may get new wife, but not new parents. No. Everybody has own rights. We should pay the rights of the wife, pay the rights of the parents also, the rights of the teacher also, and the rights of all Muslimin at large. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. جزاك الله خير. شكرا كثيرا. Make sunnah. Please share this video as a sadaqah jariyah Jazakallah khair.